Namaskaram, my name is S. Ashok Kumar. Welcome to my channel. This is the last part of the chapter respiration plants. Now I am going to end with the concept respiratory quotient, that is the RQ. For the NEET exam, definitely we can expect one question from this concept. Before going to tell the details of the RQ value, first I will define what is the RQ. RQ is the ratio of carbon dioxide released. As we know, during the aerobic respiration, carbon dioxide is released to the amount of oxygen utilized. So that is aerobic respiration, in which oxygen, what is the function of oxygen? 5 electron acceptor. So simply RQ is equals to CO2 by O2. CO2 by O2. Okay na? So what is the important point you need to remember? The RQ value depends on nature of respiratory substance. This point you remember, I will explain by the end. So RQ value depends on the nature of the respiratory substance. For example, if I am taking example 1, RQ of carbohydrate, CHO stands for carbohydrate. As we know, carbohydrate formula glucose C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives rise to 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy. So what is the RQ value of this one? RQ of carbohydrate, how much amount of carbon dioxide released? 6. How much amount of oxygen utilized? 6 is equals to 1. So RQ value of the carbohydrate, take it as a standard. RQ of the carbohydrate is about 1. The next example I am going to take RQ of fat. That is a triglycerides. As we know, fat is a highly reduced substance. Okay. The formula, for example, I am taking tripalmitin. Tripalmitin is nothing but 1 glycerol links with 3 fatty acid. That is a 3 palmitic acid. For that equation I am giving 2 C51 H98 O6 plus 145 O2 means so much oxygen is required to reduce that fat. That results 102 CO2. Here itself you can understand. Plus 98 water plus energy. So much amount of energy it will generate. Yes or no? Now RQ value, how much amount of carbon dioxide released? 102. How much amount of this oxygen utilized? 105. So as a result, there is RQ value 0.7. Means less than 1 or greater than 1? Definitely less than 1. That you remember. I will explain. The next example is RQ of organic acids. Organic acids. Okay, if the respiratory substance is an organic acid, for example, I am taking the oxalic acid, COOH twice. That is a oxalic acid. I am taking COOH twice. That is a oxalic acid. Okay, na? So I am taking the oxalic acid, 2 oxalic acid plus oxygen. Okay, na? Now that results formation of 4 CO2 plus some amount of energy definitely released 2 H2O plus energy. Check this one RQ value. RQ value 4 by 1. How much? That is a 4. Na? Definitely this is a more than 1. Na? Okay, now you are understanding this point. RQ value depends on the nature of the respiratory substance. Now, for example, RQ value of anaerobic respiration. What is the meaning of anaerobic respiration? There is no involvement of oxygen. That means C6H12O6, there is no involvement of oxygen. If you take the alcohol fermentation, 2C2H5OH plus 2CO2 plus energy. As we know how many ATPs, 2 ATPs produce. If you take RQ is equals to 2 by 0, there is no involvement of oxygen. That gives to the infinite. That means the RQ value of the anaerobic respiration is infinite. For example, last one I am taking RQ of succulent plants like Opuntia. In this case, if you take the equation like C6H12O6, if you take the two molecules here plus 3 oxygen, okay, results formation of one type of organic acid, that is a malic acid. Malic acid. That malic acid is a C4H6. Definitely energy will release na. So O5. So 3 molecules of malic acid plus 3 water molecules plus energy. Here if you clearly observe, here there is involvement of oxygen, but there is no release of the carbon dioxide na. That means RQ value if you take, that is a 0 by 3. So it becomes a 0 na. That means what is happening here? If you clearly observe, this is a definitely is a very important. RQ values are definitely important for the NEET exam. So here what I said, RQ value depends on the nature of respiratory substance. It take RQ value of the carbohydrate as a 1 because the nature of the respiratory substance, it is not highly reduced, it is not highly oxidized. That is why RQ value of the carbohydrate is equals to 1, take it as a standard. For example, if the RQ value of highly reduced substance like a fat, if the respiratory substance is a highly reduced, the RQ value is it a more than 1 or less than 1? Immediately you take a less than 1. If the respiratory substance is highly oxidized, the RQ value is greater than the 1. This point you should remember. Means the RQ values depends on the nature of the respiratory substance. If the respiratory substance is highly reduced and reduced than the carbohydrate, the RQ value is lesser. Why? Because here the release of the carbon dioxide is become lesser. Because if the respiratory substance is highly reduced, it requires more oxygen to oxidize that one. That is why RQ value become less than 1. If the respiratory substance is already highly oxidized, there is no need of much oxygen to oxidize. There is a need of less oxygen to oxidize. That results more amount of carbon dioxide released. That results the RQ value is greater than 1. So RQ value of anaerobic respiration is infinite. Why? Because there is no involvement of oxygen. The RQ of the succulent plants is equal to 0. Why? Because there is no release of carbon dioxide. That is why this is the concept of RQ, respiratory quotient value. So with this one, I am ending this chapter, that is a respiration in plants. If you like and understand the total chapter, definitely this chapter definitely you will understand if you start seeing from the first part itself. That is why if you like and understand this video, you can help your friends by sharing these videos to your friends. You can subscribe my channel because I am discussing so many typical chapters including genetics in this channel. Definitely the conceptual base, definitely you will understand, and that's not only for the NEET exam, 100% I will cover the questions. Board exams also damn surely you can use. If you have any doubts about the chapters, the corresponding, you can comment below. Definitely I will respond to your questions. Thank you.